I have been a customer for Callbox Storage for over 4 years now. I live in Dallas, Texas, and I use Callbox Storage for two main reasons. One, they are extremely accommodating, and two, they are extremely convenient. My family and I are currently in temporary housing. I am a full-time working mom with two little boys that grow and change weekly. And some weeks we need all of our toys and some weeks we need none of our toys. Some weeks we're sleeping in the crib and some weeks we're not sleeping in the crib. And Callbox does a great job of accommodating our storage needs on a month-to-month basis. Some months we've got more in storage than others. And right now we need as much flexibility as possible while we are in temporary housing. They are also very convenient. I am a huge holiday person in my house. I like a lot of decorations at Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and Callbox is great about taking me from one holiday to the next as seamlessly and clutter-free as possible. I just get on their website, pick out the photo inventory that they have of all of my stuff, select my delivery date, select my pickup date, and they take me from one holiday to the next very easily and very conveniently. I love Callbox for a multitude of reasons, but one is Taylor Stewart in sales, two is Justin in customer service, and their drivers are great as well. I can't say enough wonderful things about Callbox and refer as many friends to them as I can.